blah blah Blabina.
Hi, my name is Blabina.
Let's paint. Red, green, orange, brown,
Hi, my name is Blabina. And I am having a party.
To make special party necklace, you need pasta, your favorite paint color, and paintbrush. Look at my fingers! They are all blue! Do you like getting messy when having fun? I do! Let's dance while we're waiting for the paint to dry. Okay, to do this, you will need a help from a grown-up. Ask them nicely to cut a piece of a sellotape and wrap it around the end of the ribbon. This will help you feed the ribbon through the pasta.
Now all I need to do is tie those two ends together like this and make a bow. Like this. Perfect. And put it around my neck. And look! My my pasta party necklace is done.
Hello, I am a ladybird. No, I am a ladybird. You are not a ladybird, you are a rabbit. Oh, yes, I am. And who are you? I am a butterfly. Yay, 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 yay. Let's make some friends. My first friend is Blue. Remember, always ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors. Can you guess what animal it is? It's a rabbit! My next friend is yellow. Remember, always ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors. What animal is this one going to be? Do you know? It's butterfly. My third friend is black. Remember, always ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors. What can it be? It's ladybird.
Did you like that? Which animal did you guess? You did? That's fantastic! You are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. Do you want to see more Blabina videos? You do? That's fantastic! search my name on YouTube, Blabina, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!
Your grown-ups can also find me on Instagram and Facebook.
Blah blah blabina, blah blah blabina, blah 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 blabina. Blabina.
Blah 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 blah.